Hi everyone. Okay, I'm going to go through the instructions to make your booklet for today 3 times. If you do not understand how to make your booklet after these 3 times, you're going to have to ask your neighbor or figure it out yourself. Don't be that person who distracts your neighbor because you weren't paying attention. So the instructions said on the board to get 2 pieces of paper. Hopefully you have them. They can be the same color, they can be different colors, it doesn't matter. You're going to stack them so that they have about an inch above the top like that, so that they're not quite even. One paper sticks out about an inch. You're then going to fold it backwards so that the papers line up so that there are 4 tabs, and the first 3 are about an inch. So it looks like this. So you see I've got my first tab, I've got my second tab, I've got my third tab, and I've got my 4th tab. Now I know that you can't see me folding it because I'm not good at folding in midair, but it looks like this. Now somewhere there is a stapler coming around. You're going to take it and you're going to put it right there at the bottom. The further down you can put your stapler, the better, because it gives you more room to write. All right, let me do it again. I've got 2 pieces of paper. I'm going to stagger them so that one is about an inch above the other, like this. And then you're going to fold it like that-ish, so that there is about an inch for each tab. Like this. So we've got tab number 1, tab number 2, tab number 3 and 4. And then staple it with one of the staplers that is coming around as close to the bottom as you can get it. The further down your staple is, the more room you have to write. If you put your staple clear up here, you're not going to be able to write on any of this. Last time, I have 2 pieces of paper. I'm going to stagger them so that one is about an inch above the other. I'm then going to fold it so that there are 4 tabs that are each about an inch. I am then going to patiently wait for one of the staplers that is coming around, and I'm going to very carefully staple as close to the bottom as I can. If you put it up too high, you'll lose writing space. Great job, everyone.